Foundry.
Crypto's first trick was letting anyone create a token. The next trick is bigger, letting anyone create a market around almost any uncertainty.
Bigger than tokens. That's a strong opener, because most anyone can create stories in crypto turn into spam with a ticker.
Exactly, and that's the point. A token factory creates an asset. A market factory creates a tradable risk surface. A perp on a long-tail asset, a prediction market, a protocol revenue market, an AI benchmark market, even a DePIN usage metric.
Okay, but a market is not just pick a thing and trade it. You need collateral, an oracle, settlement rules, risk limits, liquidity, dispute handling.
Yes, which is why the new role is the market builder, not just the token deployer. They are part product designer, part exchange operator, part oracle researcher, part risk manager.
And part person, everyone blames when the oracle breaks.
Pretty much. So serious systems need accountability. Deployer stake, listing bonds, leverage caps, isolated margin, halt controls, dispute windows. Public reputation. If you earn fees from a market, you accept responsibility for keeping it sane.
Here's my sticking point, truth. If the market tracks Bitcoin, fine, lots of data, but private company valuations, creator revenue, AI model rankings. That sounds messy.
Oracle design is the bottleneck. A price feed is not enough. You need source selection, fallback rules, update frequency, finality, dispute processes, and manipulation resistance. And nothing here is financial advice, obviously, but the risk is very real.
So where does Agent Zero fit? Because I can see the hype version. Agents launch markets automatically, which sounds terrifying.
The useful version is less flashy and more valuable. Agent Zero scouts candidate markets, writes market briefs, checks demand, compares oracle options, red teams manipulation paths, scores launch readiness, then monitors live markets for stale data, thin liquidity, weird funding, concentrated open interest disputes.
So not the judge, more like the analyst, watchdog, and operations dashboard.
Exactly. Agents should not be the oracle. They help humans understand whether the oracle, market design, and risk controls are credible.
And the big opportunity is the long tail, right? Not another major crypto perp.
Yes, markets around protocol KPIs, AI infrastructure, token unlock impacts, private market synthetic exposure, creator metrics, niche commodities, sports, policy, DePIN data. The market becomes a discovery mechanism for what people actually want exposure to.
But long-tail markets need stricter limits. Lower leverage, isolated margin, caps, better disclosures.
Totally. Treating experimental markets like core markets is how things break.
The architecture piece is interesting too. Some markets want order books, some AMMs, some app chains or roll-ups, and the proof-settled stuff could use covenants and verifiable computation for constrained settlement.
Right, but covenants don't magically create liquidity or truth. They can enforce collateral and payout paths. You still need wallets, indexers, market templates, oracle adapters, governance, and monitoring.
So the winning product may not be launch the wildest market tomorrow. It may be the boring trust layer, specs, dashboards, reputation, risk cards, feasibility memos.
That's the shift. Permissionless market creation is powerful, but permissionless market creation plus autonomous market intelligence is what makes it usable.